Welcome guys to another video. In this one, we'll talk about charge cards, specifically American Express charge cards, and which one is best for you. I'll compare the green card, gold card, and platinum card. Most of you already probably know the difference between credit cards and charge cards, but let me explain that first for those who don't know. Before we get into the details of the top American Express charge cards, I'll also talk about how charge cards affect your credit score. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. So the key difference between credit cards and charge cards is a line of credit. When you're approved for a credit card, you're given a revolving credit line with a credit limit that you're not allowed to go over. So for example, you get $1,000 as a credit line and you can't put spend on your card past that limit. You're also allowed to carry over a balance month after month while paying interest charges. You're expected to pay at least a minimum payment on time though. On the other hand, a charge card doesn't have a preset limit, and there's no such thing as interest rate because you're expected to pay your bills in full and on time every single month. You're not allowed to carry over a balance. If you fail to pay your balance in full, you risk paying high fees and eventually getting your account shut down. Something to keep in mind about that no preset spending limit is that it doesn't mean unlimited spending is allowed. You will still have limits based on your use of the card, payment history, credit record, financial resources, and other factors. You can actually check your spending limit to find out instantly whether purchases will be approved or not. You can check that either online with the mobile app or by calling the phone number on the back of the card. Let's just check my spending limit online now. Let's try something ridiculous like $50,000 or something. Wow, okay, so I can put $50,000 on a single transaction on my Platinum card. That's insane. I can go and buy a car. I don't recommend doing that since you'll have to pay that in full once your bill is due, and I definitely can't afford paying a $50,000 bill right now. Now, even though Amex charge cards require you to pay your bill in full and on time, American Express offers some customers a hybrid option called Pay Over Time. It partly turns the charge card into a credit card, requiring only a minimum payment on some purchases and charging an annual percentage interest rate. Pay Over Time is not available for everyone and only applies to approved purchases of $100 or more and all eligible travel purchases. This creates two balances on your card's bill, one that you must pay off completely and another Pay Over Time balance that incurs interest charges when you carry it over month to month. So how do charge cards affect your credit score? As you know, the major factors that affect your score are your payment history, utilization percentage, average age of accounts, types of credits on your account, and number of inquiries. So credit scoring models can pick up all this information from your charge card except for one, utilization ratio. Utilization refers to how much of your available credit you're using at a given time. Now, since charge cards have no preset spending limit, this ratio can't be calculated. So this means that with a charge card, you can spend as much as you want during a given month and it won't hurt your utilization factor on your credit score. Just always pay your bills in full and on time. That was probably a long intro, but I believe it's an important one, especially if you're new to charge cards. Now let's talk about the Amex Green, Gold, and Platinum cards. The Green card is the lowest tier, the Platinum is the highest tier, and the Amex Gold is right in the middle. There's also the Amex Centurion, better known as the Amex Black card, but that's an invitation-only charge card with an annual fee of $2,500, so I'll not be talking about that card in this video. I actually made a full video about it and all its benefits that you can check up here. Now let's really get into comparing these three charge cards. And first off, the annual fees. The Green card has an annual fee of $95 that's waived for the first year. The Gold card annual fee is $250 and the Platinum card's annual fee is $550. All three cards offer purchase protection up to $50,000 per year. return protection, where if you try to return an eligible item within 90 days from the date of purchase and the merchant won't take it back, American Express may refund the full purchase price, excluding shipping and handling, up to $300 per item and up to a maximum of $1,000 per calendar year. All three cards offer extended warranties. So when you use your American Express cards for eligible purchases, you can get up to 2 extra years added to the original manufacturer's warranty. You get access to Amex offers, which saved me hundreds over the years just by adding an available offer to my Amex card and using it at the store or restaurant that had that offer. And you also get 2-day free shipping at eligible stores with ShopRunner. Now let's get into the benefits, starting with the welcome bonus. The green card offers nothing. The gold card right now is offering 35,000 points after you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months, and the platinum card offers 60,000 points after you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. For the gold card, make sure you check for a 50,000 points offer if you go to Amex's website using incognito mode on Chrome. If not, you can always use my referral link that will give you 40,000 points, link in the description. And for the platinum card, try to see if you're targeted on cardmatch.com for a 100,000 offer. We haven't seen a public 100,000 offer on the platinum card since I think 2016 or something, so just make sure you check first on cardmatch.com. In terms of points earning, the green card earns 2 points per dollar on amextravel.com and 1 point on everything else. The gold card, which is refreshed last year, now earns 4 points per dollar at US restaurants and 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets up to $25,000 per year. And it also earns 3 points per dollar on flights booked directly with the airlines or on amextravel.com. The platinum card earns 5 points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or with American Express Travel, and 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels booked on amextravel.com. Next is the category that is really all about the platinum card, the additional perks and benefits. The green card has none. The gold card offers you a yearly $100 airline credit that can be used on checked bag fees, upgrade fees, airline lounge memberships, and so on. You can actually use the credit to buy gift cards on Delta Airlines. You just have to select one airline to receive this benefit with. And also, the gold card gives you a monthly $10 dining credit when you pay with your gold card at Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, and participating Shake Shack locations. I personally use it all the time on Seamless because it gives me a variety of options with all the restaurants around me. Now, the Platinum card gives you an annual $200 airline credit that's used the same way as the $100 credit on the Gold card. You'll also get an annual $200 Uber credit that's given out as $15 monthly from January to November, and December it's $35, making the total $200. This credit also works on Uber Eats, which is very, very useful. You'll also get an annual 100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit, $50 from January to June and $50 from July to December. You'll also get a statement credit of up to $100 every 4 years for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry applications. You'll get access to over 1,200 airport lounges around the world, which include the American Express Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs whenever you fly Delta, Priority Pass Select lounges, and many others. With the Platinum card, you also get complimentary Gold Elite status with Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton hotels, as well as Elite status with rental car agencies like Avis, National, and Hertz. So that's my summary of the American Express charge cards. As far as which one is best for you, I personally think that if you travel a couple of times a year, whether domestically or internationally, then the Amex Platinum card is your go-to card. 5 times points on airfare, $200 airline credit, $200 Uber credit, Global Entry and TSA PreCheck, and access to over 1,200 lounges makes this card totally worthwhile even with the $550 annual fee. The next best would be the Gold card, especially if you have a family and dine out a lot and shop at supermarkets. Earning 4 times points on those two categories is amazing. Now, if you're okay with the annual fees and can maximize the benefits of both the Amex Platinum and the Amex Gold, then having both is a great combo. Other than that, I don't really see why anyone would ever apply for the green card. It literally offers nothing. Let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about the American Express charge cards? Which one is your favorite? Are you going to apply for any of them soon? Tell me in the comments. And on your way down there, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.